Jeez.
I saw this guy taking a video, I thought I'll try and get in it.
Oh,
Hey? How are you?
You photobombed me again.
Yeah, I have. Don't come up to Greymouth without getting me in the picture, mate.
Yeah, there's great. The crowd's starting to form quite nicely.
Very good, Bruce. Excellent. Sell out here today.
Sorry?
Sell out here today.
Is
a
it?
Bit of a reward for all that cyclone we had to go through yesterday down in Westland and not here in Grey. Yeah,
yes, well,
4,000 tickets sold here.
Is it really?
Yep.
Yeah, well, that's because all the people at Hokie come down to support you in your time of need.
In times like this, we're a team.
Yeah. That's right. You're quite right.
If this was next Monday, I'd ask you to go across the border, Bruce.
Now listen, folks. That wasn't Donald Trump. It's Bruce here at the. Whereabouts are we, Tony? This is
Rugby Park, Greymouth.
Rugby, and we're watching
rugby on the west coast.
And we're watching the Crusaders.
We're watching the Crusaders and the Hurricanes, mate. It's going to be a good game, actually.
Now the Hurricanes.
Crusaders never fail.
Oh, really?
Come from behind, probably.
Yeah.
And they will not let us down again.
Oh, we had the pleasure of meeting the Hurricanes this morning.
Oh, great stuff.
Down.
I can tell you now, the Crusaders here today have got a massive following from the west coast.
Yeah,
in fact, we have a percentage of the ownership of the Crusaders. So every time they win a major championship, you know, we get a few $1,000s over here, so we love it.
Well, in that case, we know who we're going to cheer for.
Cheer for them.
Absolutely. Well, listen, you enjoy your day, and I guess you've had a busy few days.
Oh, certainly has been. Same as you, Bruce.
Yeah.
These things come from left field. In fact, I was just saying, it was only a month ago, we were declaring a drought, and we had 150 millimetres of floods, and now we've had the cyclone. So what next?
Hey, we were advertising because we didn't have any driftwood for our Driftwood and Sand Festival.
Yeah.
Well, I can tell you. We've got plenty now.
Well, hey, well, listen, I'll tell you what, save some up for next year.
Yeah, I will do.
Put it in the shed, put it in the back of the Southland.
Well, Tony, hey, thanks for your time, and hey, enjoy the game.
Thanks, Bruce.